Imagine yourself in this Acura 2018 TLX 3.5L V6. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, premium audio system, Acura ELS surround, radio data system, radio, ELS studio premium audio system, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.